Today we'll be looking at my top 20 dividend stocks update for the ASX for 2024. All these stocks are 100% franked. Before I continue, I must say this is not financial advice. You must do your own research before doing any investing. I'm Australian. I invest in the Australian stock market or the ASX. If you do not invest in the Australian stock market, this information might not be helpful to you. Now let's get to the video. I have updated all these stocks to the current price per share. All these stocks were updated on Sunday the 7th of January 2024. These top 20 are here because if I invest $5,000 in each, these are the highest 20 stocks that give me the most amount of money back in dividends. In first division, you can see if I invest $5,000, I get 928 shares. Working off the $1.07 per share in dividends, I would get $992.96. If you see the stock in 20th position, investing $5,000 would get me 1,445 shares. Working off the 21 cents in dividends paid out last year will get me $303.45. These four stocks here are Australian banks. This stock here is only in the energy sector. These five stocks here are in energy and mining. These three stocks here are only in mining. These three stocks here are in investing and finance. This stock here is in Australian agriculture. This stock here is in manufacturing. This stock here is in retail. This stock here is in media. This is a shorter video today. It doesn't go in detail as my normal videos per share, only because I've got 20 shares to cover. And you've already seen these ones in my other videos. So thank you guys for watching. Please do like and subscribe so you get the notifications every time I post. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.